What the Ladybird Heard by Julia Donaldson. Once upon a farm lived a fat red hen, a duck in a pond, and a goose in a pen, a woolly sheep, a hairy hog, a handsome horse, and a dainty dog, a cat that meowed, and a cat that purred, and a fine prize cow, and a ladybird. And the cow said, "Moo!" And the hen said, "Cluck!" And the goose said, "Hiss!" And quack, said the duck. "Nay," said the horse. "Oink," said the hog. "Baa," said the sheep. And "Woof," said the dog. One cat meowed, while the other one purred. And the ladybird said never a word. But the ladybird saw, and the ladybird heard. She saw two men in a big black van with a map and a key and a cunning plan. She heard them whisper, "This is how we're going to steal the fine prize cow." Open the gate at dead of night, past the horse and then turn right. Round the duck pond, past the hog, be careful not to wake the dog. Left past the sheep and straight ahead, and in through the door of the prize cow's shed. And the cow said, "Moo," and the head said, "Quack," and "Hiss," said the goose, and "Quack," said the duck. "No," said the horse. "Oink," said the frog. "Baa," said the sheep. "Ruff," said the dog. Both the cats began to meow. "We can't let them steal the fine prize cow." And the ladybird had a good idea, and she whispered into each animal's ear. She's going around and whispering everything into the animal's ears. It takes a long time. At the dead of night, the two bad men, Hefty-hued and Lanky-Len, opened the gate while the farmer slept, and tiptoed into the farm they crept. Then the goose said, "No!" with all her might, and Len said, "That's the horse, turn right." And the dainty dog began to quack. "The duck," said Hug. "We're right on track." "Wink," said the cats. "There goes the hog. Be careful not to wake the dog." "Ba, ba, ba," said the fat red hen. "The sheep, we're nearly there," said Len. The duck on the pond said, "Hmm. 2 more steps to go," said Hug. Splosh! And they both stepped into the duck pond. The farmer woke up and said, "Golly gosh!" And he called the cops, and they came, "Nina!" And they threw the thieves into their panda car. And the cow said, "Moo," and the head said, "Cluck." "Hiss," said the goose, and "Quack," said the duck. "No," said the horse. "Oink," said the hog. "Baa," said the sheep. "Ruff," said the dog. And the farmer cheered and both cats purred, but the ladybird said never a word. That's where they all walk. Thanks for reading with me.